How to make $10,000 in 1 month. That's what we're talking about on this video. Now this is going to be exactly how I made $10,000 in 1 month with real estate. Now listen, this isn't going to be what you think. It's not houses, it's not flipping a house, it's not repairing a house, it's not condos, it's not rental income, it's none of those. Hey, welcome back. My name is Jeremy, and if you like learning how to make money, then this is a channel for you. Subscribe, hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload new content. The secret is vacant land. I actually made $10,000 this month by flipping vacant land. Now you're probably wondering, how is that even possible? And the truth is, this is something that blew me away. My brother has actually been doing this for about 6 years. I finally sat down at the end of last year and asked him how exactly was he doing this. And the secret was a program that he had went through. This program teaches you the secret to find motivated sellers. And the best part about vacant land is you don't have to worry about termites, tenants, you don't have to worry about any of that. So how I made $10,000 this month was I sent out a bunch of letters, and this program teaches you exactly how to find the people to send those letters to, gives you the template and the model for that letter, and then how to proceed whenever somebody responds back. And so I sent out a bunch of letters. I had several people come back and say, hey, I'm interested in selling my land. I made offers on those properties, and one of those offers, the lady came back and said, yes, I want to sell. So I paid $5,200 and some odd change for the property. With closing costs, I was right about $6,200 for this property. We sent it to title, and I closed on the property March 29th. The day I closed, I had already taken drone photos of the property. I went to the property, I put a yard sign in the yard, I uploaded the property to Facebook, and I put it on Zillow. I started promoting it on those two websites. I listed the property for $21,500. So get this, I paid $6,200 for it. I listed it for $21,500. The potential there is over $14,000 in profit. After a couple weeks, a few different offers, I finally had a firm offer with a contract for $18,875. We sealed it up, sent it to title, and in 2 more weeks, I had a check in my hand for $18,875. So if you take out the $6,200 and some odd dollars that I paid for the property, and you take out the closing costs for selling the property, I made a little over $11,000 in profit in 30 days. Literally 30 days. And here's the thing about this process, is you can repeat it over and over and over again. I've been sending out letters on a regular basis. 2 days ago, I got another contract for a property for $2,200. So I will buy this property for $2,200. With closing costs, I'll probably be about $3,000. I think I can sell this property for $20,000 to $25,000. Do the math on that. I have a potential ability to make $20,000 profit. That's profit on another piece of land. And if I do that in even another 2 or 3 months, then you're talking about $30,000 within 3 months. That is a significant amount of profit to be made with this program. All right, so this is a quick update. I recorded this video about a month and a half ago, and so I just want to throw this update in there because I did in fact buy that property for about $3,000 all in closing costs. Well, I sold it just last month for $23,500. So I made a profit of just a little over $20,000 in that one property. My first property, I made about $11,000 profit in a month. My second property, I made about $20,000 profit. Now profit, that's actual profit in about a month. And as we speak, I closed on another lot on Monday. Bought it for about $3,000 all in, $2,600. And I think I can sell it for anywhere between $8,500 and $14,000, somewhere in that range. So that's going to be another $8,000 to $10,000 in profit. The potential with this program is astronomical. Just wanted to throw this update in there. So as I said before, my brother got me into this. He has a video about how he went from $1,000 to $100,000. I'll link that below. But the real powerful piece of this whole program, so it walks you through the whole entire process from start to finish. Shows you how to flip land using cash. There's also a way that you can do this without spending any money whatsoever. You can flip the property without using any money at all. And so that's all covered in that program as well. If you have any interest in checking out, click on the link below, and I'm telling you, I've seen a lot of ways to make money out there. This is one of the best ones that I've seen so far. Thanks so much for watching this video. I will see you on the next one.